This video will show you how to install a kickstand on a RadMission. You will need a 5mm Allen wrench, a torque wrench with a 5mm bit, a table or a friend to help stabilize the bike, and the kickstand from Rad Power Bikes. Get the bike ready for maintenance. Turn off the bike, remove the battery, and press and hold the power button to discharge remaining power. Prop the bike against a sturdy object like a table or have a friend stabilize it. Locate the kickstand and the kickstand mounting hardware. Hold the kickstand parallel to the floor and place the kickstand mounting holes into position over the mounting holes on the chainstay. Thread the bolts in by hand. Tighten the bolts evenly by alternating between bolts every half turn until tightened securely. Torque to 8 Nm. Adjust the kickstand using the lever on the side as shown, then unfold it to test the angle to which the bike leans when propped on the kickstand. Adjust the kickstand again if needed. Reinstall the battery, test the bike fully before riding, and ride rad.